Everyone has different priorities when choosing AC fan motor repair in Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania, so the best service depends on your unique needs and budget. At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we take pride in providing dependable service, quality craftsmanship, and personalized HVAC solutions. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. Why is my AC fan not spinning? The problem could be caused by a faulty fan motor, a failed capacitor, electrical wiring issues, a malfunctioning HVAC control system, a tripped circuit breaker, or debris preventing the fan from turning. At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we provide professional AC fan motor repair by performing a thorough inspection to identify the exact cause of the problem and recommend the most effective solution. How do I know if my AC fan motor is burned out? A burned out AC fan motor often shows several warning signs, including a fan that will not spin, weak or no cooling, unusual humming or burning odors, frequent system shutdowns, or a fan that starts and stops unexpectedly. At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we provide expert AC fan motor repair by thoroughly diagnosing your HVAC system and identifying whether the fan motor can be repaired or should be replaced. What is your service area? Our PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair serve the following Pennsylvania locations: Springfield, Clifton Heights, Wyndom, Glenolden, Broomall, Angora, Sharon Hill, Elmwood Park, Holmes, Collingdale, Folcroft, Tinicum Township, Darby Township, Eastwick, Yeadon, Lansdowne, East Lansdowne, Millbourne, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 642 Harper Avenue, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania 19026, United States. Our phone number is 610-672-3046. Visit our website, https://pjmachvac.com/drexel-hill-ac-heating-repair-install/.